B2B lead generation strategies. In this video, I will show you the top 3 strategies to generate more B2B leads. Hey, Miro Hensel here, SMMAprofit.com, and we are offering consulting to B2B companies on how to generate more leads from cold emailing, LinkedIn outreach, and Facebook ads. Okay, in this video I will show you also 2 bonus strategies that we are using with great success for our company and also for other B2B companies. Okay, before you start with B2B lead generation, okay, you need to verify your product market fit. You also need to validate your offer. So you need to talk with your audience about this offer. You need to see how they resonate with this offer. We are also using Facebook ads to validate the offer. If we get some replies from our Facebook ads, if we get some positive comments, and if we get booked calls for our services, for example, we know that our market fit is okay. So before you start your B2B lead generation, you need to verify product market fit. Okay, so you need to validate your offer, and you also need to create amazing offers. So your offer should not be about you, but how this offer can help your client. Okay, so our top B2B lead generation strategy is cold emailing. Okay, so many people will try to tell you that cold emailing is not working. That's not true. We have sent more than 400,000 emails, and we learned a lot. Okay, so the whole success of your cold emailing campaign is coming from these 4 things. Okay, so you need to have high quality leads list. Okay, so you need to have high quality database of emails. You need to have proper technical setup. You need to have custom email copy that focuses on benefits, that has no spammy words in it. Okay, so and you also need to have proper follow-up with appointment setters, with callers. Okay, so we like I said, we are getting many positive replies from cold emailing. We have scaled 3 of our companies just by doing cold emailing, and cold emailing is working also great in 2022. Okay, our second B2B lead generation strategy is Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and LinkedIn ads. Okay, this one ad made my agency more than $300,000. Okay, so even if you combine ads and, for example, cold emailing, you will even get better results. Okay, we always use for our own agency and for B2B clients, we always use omnichannel prospecting. Why? Because you can grow faster if you add not just one prospecting like cold emailing, but you will also add ads and LinkedIn outreach and so on. Okay, so for B2B ads, really the great thing is LinkedIn ads, but they are really expensive because targeting for LinkedIn ads is amazing. Okay, for YouTube ads, not the best one. You can also create custom audiences for YouTube ads, but you need to spend more than $40,000 in order to do this. And for Facebook ads, we are using specific custom audiences to target B2B leads. Okay, so and we are offering copy with benefits, like I said, and we test product market fit. So Facebook ads are really good if you want to test or verify product market fit, and if you want to get clients for your B2B business or agency fast. Okay, so in like 48 hours we can have first agency clients or first B2B clients if done correctly. Okay, so if you need help, we can offer consulting on this also for cold emailing and also for Facebook ads. Okay, LinkedIn is also great for many reasons, because on LinkedIn you will find audience with certain income levels. Okay, so you will find great B2B niches on LinkedIn. So the first thing you need to focus on is your LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile should be done as a sales page, okay? It should not tell about yourself. It should be done as a sales page, and you need to put a lot of benefits or what you can do for your client. You need to also speak your client language in order to get B2B leads, okay? So then you start with LinkedIn outreach. You can do this manually or automated. With automated, there are only certain tools I will recommend. If you want to stay under the radar of LinkedIn, add LinkedIn Sales Navigator, because I don't know why, but even if you are using automation and also if you are using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you will not look so spammy in the eyes of LinkedIn, okay? So, and what's really working great is combining LinkedIn outreach plus cold emailing, because if you are defining your audience on LinkedIn, you can also scrape these emails and data and use the same data for cold emailing. So you have, at once you have omnichannel prospecting, and you are hitting your prospect from two angles, okay? So you are hitting them on LinkedIn and in cold emails, and this will increase the amount of B2B leads significantly, okay? So my two bonuses for this video: one, lead generation strategy is remarketing, retargeting, because many B2B companies, they already have some type of prospecting, and let's be honest, you need several touches in order to someone becomes your client. So you need at least 7 touches. And how you can do this? The best way is to use omnichannel prospecting and plus adding remarketing, retargeting. It means when someone has seen your offer, then you will, for example, run LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and you will retarget this client again and again. So these remarketing and retargeting strategies are not that expensive, because you have smaller audience. You can use like $1 or $5 per day, and with these strategies you will get the highest ROI. So because you are just spending like $2 to $5 per day, and you will get more clients. And don't forget, these clients are warm, because you have put a lot of money in prospecting, you have put a lot of money to get clients from LinkedIn outreach, cold emailing, and so on, from website traffic, okay? And you don't want to lose this client. So the best way is remarketing, retargeting, okay? And the second strategy that we are using right now with great success is parasite SEO content, okay? So it means that you are using pages with higher authority, and you rank your articles and or sales articles on these pages, okay? So for example, I did the same for my own SMMA and agency consulting, and we are getting almost 52 reads in 1 week and 102 views. So it means we get 400 eyeballs every month, and it's fully automated, okay? So we don't do anything, and people are still reading our article, and if they are interested, they are becoming our clients. Also from these strategies we had many clients, okay? So parasite SEO is also working really great for B2B companies, okay? So if you need some help with B2B lead generation, if you need consultation on cold emailing, Facebook ads, or how to get better and higher quality leads for your B2B company or SaaS, then shoot me a message or book a call with me, and maybe we can work together, okay? So if you want to generate leads for your B2B companies, you will find also other videos on my YouTube channel. So you will find also some LinkedIn outreach strategies. So go and check these videos, okay? Have a great day. See you later.